Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Graph. The Graph is up 6.6% over the last 1 day and the last 1 week, even though it's down 10% on a monthly time frame. We're deep in the crypto bear market. Is the bear market bottom in for the Graph? The Graph is going through its first full crypto bear market. We've seen it lose 90+% of its value deep in its first full crypto bear market. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Graph US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at the Graph's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Finally, looking at the Graph's market cap, which sits around $953 million. The Graph has a fully diluted market cap sitting at the $1.1 billion level. It's ranked 42 on coin market cap. So where are we heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The last few weeks have been brutal to altcoins in the market. We have seen altcoins aggressively, slowly dumping to gobbling town. But right now, we are seeing a bounce in the market on a daily time frame and on a weekly time frame. Is the bear market bottom in for the Graph? We have been through this long and brutal bear market after the bull market ended for the Graph in February of 2021. We have seen it aggressively dump to gobbling town. In this bear market, we have spent more than 800 days and 59 days dumping to gobbling town. But is the bear market bottom in for the Graph? Should we go all in right now expecting higher prices? The all-time low for the Graph came in December of 2022. We got to as low as the $0.056 level. We stayed 2023 on a very bright note, rallying up to as high as the $0.23 level, pumping by over 300% to the upside. But since then, all coins have been facing difficult times in the market. Since then, we've seen all coins slowly dump to gobbling town. But luckily for us, the Graph held on very, very strong. The Graph did not drop to new lows. We found support at the $0.1 level. We've seen the Graph finding support at that region since June of 2022. So is the bear market bottom in for the Graph? Are we done with accumulation? Are we ready to start pumping to higher prices? A lot of signals in the market are trying to say maybe, just maybe, that time is now. We found the Graph finding support at that $0.1 level in June and July of 2023 and 2022. We even rallied to higher prices, but later during the year, around November, we saw us dumping to gobbling town. Will history repeat itself? Are we going to drop to new lows before the end of the year? Key levels to watch out for the Graph over the next few weeks. The $0.056 level is still our bear market bottom. Right now, we're finding support at the $0.1 region. If we see the Graph rallying to higher prices, hopefully we can get to as high as that $0.22 region where we got to way back in February. Because guys, if we can rally above that $0.22 level, that means we have set a new high over the last 13 months. Crazy things can happen in the bear market. Huge dumps to gobbling town. But at the same time, all coins can be very volatile to the high side. We saw it beginning the year. We saw how all coins give us that wonderful 300% pump to the upside, including the Graph. So in the next few weeks, let's not be shocked if we see all coins pumping to higher prices. If we see the Graph rallying above that $0.22 level, maybe getting to as high as the $0.5 level for the first time since March of 2022. The Graph is an indexing protocol for querying data for networks like Ethereum and IPFS, powering many applications in both DeFi and the broader Web3 ecosystem. Anyone can build and publish open APIs called subgraphs that applications can query using GraphQL to retrieve blockchain data. There's a hosted service in production that makes it easy for developers to get started building on the Graph, and the decentralized network will be launching later this year. The Graph currently supports indexing data from Ethereum, IPFS, and POA, with more networks coming soon. The Graph has a market cap sitting below $1 billion at $953 million, a fully diluted market cap sitting at the $1.1 billion level. With a total supply of around 10.6 billion tokens, we have over 9 billion of those tokens in circulation. The Graph is ranked 42 on coin market cap. Over 435,000 people have the Graph on their watch list. If you want to get some Graph tokens for yourself in this bear market, getting ready for higher prices by the end of the next bull run. You can get some graph tokens on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Guys, as you're accumulating this bear market, you want to avoid the number one mistake a lot of investors make, and that's going all in too quickly. This bear market can be very, very long. This bear market can be very, very boring. We've seen the graph from the $0.1 level where we got to in June of 2022. We have been perambulating around our region for more than 400 days. We can easily pump to the upside. We can easily dump to Goblin Town. Your number one job in this bear market is to survive to the end, because guys, at the end of the tunnel, we are going to see huge pumps to the upside when the bull market comes around. The bear market is for accumulation, and the bear market is where you get good value for money. But remember not to go all in too quickly. Remember to always keep some capital on the side to take advantage of those dumps to Goblin Town when they come your way. The altcoin season index is telling us we're in Bitcoin season. Bitcoin season has always been a good time to accumulate altcoins if you're going to be holding them till we get to that alt season. We have not seen an alt season in 2023. I believe alt season is going to be around the corner. We saw alt season happening in August and September of 2022. The graph has been dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum, it has also been dumping aggressively to Goblin Town. So I'll not be shocked if that alt season happens and we see the graph rallying against Bitcoin, maybe 300, 400, maybe even as high as 500%, doing the same thing against Ethereum. In the bear market, market participants are scared. You see them flipping their altcoins back into Bitcoin and back into Ethereum, and that's why you have seen the graph lose so much value against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. The graph is down 90+% against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, deep in its first full crypto bear market. If you take a look at the graph's market cap, we got to an all-time high of around $6.5 billion way back in November of 2021. But this bear market has seen the graph's market cap drop to as low as $370 million back in November of 2022. We started 2023 on a very bright note. The market cap rallied back to the $1.96 billion level. And luckily for us, we have not dropped to new lows. We found support sitting at the $840 million level. In the next few weeks, if the graph starts rallying to higher prices, the market cap should battle that $2 billion level. If we can rally above the $2 billion level, that will be the highest we have seen the graph's market cap go since May of 2022. Bitcoin is heading towards $29,000. Bitcoin has comfortably traded above $28,000. We have even seen Bitcoin getting to as high as $31,000 since the start of 2023. So where do you see the graph heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.